Let us stride forth with elegance and intention, like beacons of light, prepared to welcome divine progress. The stars illuminate the path, our higher selves guide us, and our global family's collective spirit feeds us on our journey. The universe embraces us as our true home. The brightness of our being shows our divine purpose. And by uniting our hearts, we can create a future filled with endless possibilities. With love and light, we continue our sacred journey. In the great expanse of the universe, echoes of old knowledge echo through the stars, guiding those who are ready to accept their real mission. Today, we'll look at an important communication from the Pleiadian High Council, a group of celestial beings who have long monitored Earth's journey. We are approaching the solar flash, a prophesied event that will awaken the deepest portions of our souls and raise our collective consciousness while our planet experiences massive alteration. Join us as we seek advice from these magnificent individuals and prepare for the transformational wave of light that will illuminate our path. This is more than just a cosmic event. It is an invitation for all of us to reconnect with our actual selves and embrace the light within. Let us enter this new era of enlightenment and spiritual ascent together, hearts and minds wide open. Ascension is the dominant notion on Earth, and it is spreading rapidly. We are in the midst of a great shift as the powers of the universe come together to raise our planet's consciousness to new heights. Each of us plays a unique and significant role in this massive process. Our individual journeys, with their varying experiences and perspectives, unite to form a great collective movement towards the light. Our collective ascent is aided by different experiences and perspectives, and our individual frequencies contribute to global spiritual advancement. As we move through this ascension, some of us may obtain tremendous insights from dreams, while others may need more rest as our bodies adjust to the increased energies. Solar activities, also known as solar flashes, are crucial for generating light waves and have a significant impact on many people. These cosmic occurrences are not only astronomical phenomena, but also important catalysts for our spiritual awakening. They assist in activating the light within us, allowing us to connect with our true selves and the divine energy that fills the universe. As we traverse these shifting times, we must respect our various paths and recognize the holy role we all play in the ascension process. We work together to create a brighter, more enlightened future, guided by the universe's wisdom and light. As we acclimatize to the changing energies that surround our planet, we must welcome the changes with grace and intention. Let us remember the interconnectedness of all beings and the strength of unity. With each stride, we contribute to the global awakening by elevating our planet's vibrations and synchronizing with the cosmic pulse. Let us continue as beacons of light, ready to accept our sacred transformation. The stars illuminate the path, our higher selves guide us, and our global family's collective spirit feeds us on our journey. The cosmos welcomes us as our true home. The brightness of our being shows our divine purpose. And by uniting our hearts, we can create a future filled with endless possibilities. With love and light, we continue our sacred journey. Trust that the top lighting and design professionals are on our side. These celestial artists are here to help and inspire us on our transforming journey. Accept what your body needs, especially when exposed to high levels of solar energy. Listen to your intuition and respect the signals your body sends. Adjusting our habits becomes a natural response to this shifting energy. New ideas, diets, friends, and activities may entice you. These changes are part of your progression to higher frequencies. Pay close attention to how you feel around different people and situations. Your intuition will guide you to what aligns with your higher self. Keeping high frequencies is crucial during this technique. Keep your vibration up and avoid acts that may diminish it. Surround yourself with people and things that inspire and motivate you. Create space in your life for activities that bring you joy, peace, and enlightenment. This permits you to become more in tune with the divine energies that are guiding our collective climb. During this moment of tremendous transformation, it is vital to pay attention to your body's subtle messages as well as your surroundings. Every sensation and whisper from your intuition has valuable information about your spiritual journey. Take in everything around you, from the way the air feels to the sounds you hear, and listen to what your body is telling you. These sensations and intuitions are part of the big awakening, guiding you towards what feels right and away from what does not. Believe in your inner voice. It will direct your spiritual journey. They guide you to light and tranquility, allowing you to traverse the changing energies with grace and ease. To get through this transitional period, embrace the power of spiritual practices such as meditation, reflection, and deep spiritual connection. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind and connect with higher levels, resulting in clarity and insight into your life. Reflection helps you understand your experiences and absorb the lessons they provide. Deep spiritual connection, whether through prayer, nature walks, or sacred rituals, allows you to connect with the Creator's energy and fosters inner tranquility and clarity. These practices are more than just routines, they operate as lifelines, keeping you anchored and balanced during difficult times. The energy surrounding you is constantly changing and evolving. Trust and faith are your allies on this journey, providing strength and comfort as you confront the unknown. Accept these techniques as daily rituals that will nurture and uplift your spirit. As you integrate these new, higher energies, you may become fatigued or overwhelmed. This is a typical reaction to the enormous vibrational changes occurring within and around you. Self-care is vital for maintaining balance during this time. Allow yourself the relaxation and nourishment your body requires. Listen to your body's cues for sleep, relaxation, and nourishment. Prioritize things that will lift your spirits, such as spending time in nature, engaging in creative hobbies, or engaging in light forms of exercise like yoga or Tai Chi. These exercises will help you reconnect with your inner light and restore your energy stores. By caring for yourself, you ensure that you are completely equipped to accept the transformative energies of the ascension process. Remember that self-care is not a luxury, but a need on your spiritual journey, allowing you to shine your brightest light and fulfill your divine destiny. As you reach higher frequencies, you may feel a natural urge to distance yourself from those who no longer resonate with your energy. This is not a sign of abandonment, but rather a crucial part of your spiritual journey. As your frequency rises, it naturally attracts and seeks out frequencies, directing you to spirits who can assist you in your evolution. These are the people who inspire and encourage you on your journey to higher consciousness. Surrounding yourself with such souls fosters a powerful light community. This collaborative energy not only benefits your personal path, but it also adds to the global ascension process. Together, you create a network of light workers that radiate pleasure, love, and wisdom, thereby raising the Earth's vibrational frequency. As each member progresses on their spiritual path, this society evolves into a haven of mutual support and shared awareness. Humanity is undergoing major changes, which can only be manifested through decisions. These heartfelt decisions are the outcome of a deeper understanding of ourselves and our interconnectedness with all life. Individually and collectively, we are shifting from a fear-based to a heart-centered lifestyle. This shift promotes authenticity, compassion, and oneness. These adjustments are essential for the collective awakening. As more people make decisions aligned with their higher selves, humanity's collective consciousness expands. This collective awakening paves the way for a more peaceful and enlightened society where truth and love triumph over lies and fear. Accept these changes with open hearts, believing they will usher in a new era of peace and understanding. Before incarnating, you selected to observe these changing times and play a significant role in raising the consciousness of the earth and all life on it. This holy covenant reveals your strength, wisdom, and dedication to the Ascension process. The Ascension team and the Pleiadian High Council admire and appreciate you greatly. We appreciate and praise your efforts and dedication to this precious process. Know that you will not be alone on this journey. The Pleiadian High Council's wisdom and love are always present, guiding and supporting you along the way. They offer protection, insight, and encouragement as you navigate the challenges and opportunities of these changing times. Believe in their existence and the divine plan that is unfolding. We need your light now more than ever, and your efforts are making a tremendous contribution to humanity's and Earth's collective ascent. When you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, realize that you're not alone. The Pleiadian High Council can provide guidance and safety. Their wisdom and devotion are always available to you, offering comfort and clarity. Unity on this path reveals that love and light are more powerful than any darkness. By working together, we may boost our collective power and shine brightly even in the face of adversity. Each step you take on this path of ascension illuminates the path for others. Your path inspires those around you, spreading waves of light far and wide. Together, we are ushering in a new era of peace, love, and increased awareness on Earth. Every act of compassion and every moment of understanding contributes to this massive transformation, propelling humanity towards a brighter future. As we conclude, allow these words to resonate inside you. Accept the light within, trust the Pleiadian High Council, and recognize that your journey is a significant part of the collective ascension. Together, we are building a path to a harmonious and educated society in which love and light triumph. May the light lead your way, and may the love of the universe embrace you forever.